Last week, a person found themselves in a familiar yet challenging situation, falling into a rut. Feeling physically and mentally drained, waking up became a chore, and even beloved activities lost their appeal. Fortunately, they had a strategy to navigate out of this slump. Let's explore their 3-step method. Warren Buffett once said, "The most important thing to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging." This step is about recognizing 2 key behaviors that deepen the rut: negativity and exhaustion. First, eliminate negativity. Stop self-critical thoughts in their tracks and cut yourself some slack. Next, embrace rest. Understand that rest isn't just about sleeping, it's about giving yourself the time and space to recover. Changing direction means looking inward and outward to identify controllable factors contributing to the rut. Internally ask, how am I contributing to this situation? Externally, assess if your environment is dragging you down and make necessary changes. Consider the identity of your ideal self. What mental and physical space would they occupy? The final step is to move. Waiting for motivation to strike is a losing game. Movement breeds momentum, which in turn breeds motivation. Embrace minimum viable progress. Don't aim for perfection. Just start with something small. A 15-minute walk or a focused 15-minute task can set the wheels in motion. Remember, starting small is key. Narrow your focus and build from there. Life's a long game. Ruts will happen. The goal is to stay in the game, allowing positive actions to compound over time. This 3-step method, stop digging, change direction, and create movement, is a powerful tool for navigating life's ups and downs. Try this approach and share your experiences. How do you overcome ruts? Let us know in the comments below. For more insights on personal growth and overcoming challenges, subscribe to our channel. Together, let's keep moving forward.